Hi everyone, this is my module for reflection. Teachers need a basic fundamental knowledge of media because we use it every day in school. This past year, all of our kids used either iPads or Chromebooks. First and kindergartners used iPads every day, and second through fifth graders used Chromebooks every day. And they would work on either reading, math, or Spanish, depending on what they needed help in. And you need a basic knowledge of how those machines operate so that you can help them to log into their account and take tests and troubleshoot when things aren't going right. I learned about resolution that my cell phone is probably taking way too high of resolution pictures. That might be why it's full. That and the 6,000 pictures that are on it probably don't help, but I need to check the settings on that and fix that. Compression, I didn't know that converting one type of audio file to a different type of audio file could reduce the size of the file, so that was interesting to learn. I knew that downloading video footage, my husband has a bunch of trail cameras, and I just download the SD cards to my computer when they get full. And I know it takes up a lot of space. I didn't even think to download them to a hard drive, so I'm going to do that from now on. And I think the next thing, describe working with Prezi. I found it pretty simple. It was a lot like PowerPoint to me. There were a few things I needed to resize some text, and it wouldn't let me resize it as small as I wanted to or as big as I wanted to, but I spent a lot of time on it, and I think if I played with it a little more, I would get better at it. But other than that, I found it pretty easy to use. The Screencast-O-Matic, I was pretty nervous about that. I had never tried anything like that, but it was really, really simple, and I had to redo that video a lot of times because my kids kept coming and popping in the video, and they thought it was pretty cool that I looked like one of the YouTubers playing their video games that they like to watch. So at least I got some points with my kids for that one. I really enjoyed that, and I think that you could definitely use that. When I was doing my presentation, I acted like I was actually talking to the first graders that I hope to teach, but you would have to slow down a lot. But I think it would be very beneficial. We use a thing in our school right now called Elmo. I don't know if that's the technical name or if that's just what all our teachers call it. And it's kind of the same thing, but you can put any worksheet or book under this projector device and write on it, and the kids can see it on the smartboard. And then also using the smartboard, you pull up their assignments that are in their workbooks and you write on the smartboard or have them come write on the smartboard. And it's very interactive, and that's kind of what the Screencast-O-Matic made me think of. So I think I'm getting more comfortable with technology as each module goes, and so that makes me happy. Thanks.